Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today is an ASMR video and it's designed to let you see the new ASMRtistry.com lipstick, and they've sent me the package on the premise that we have a little bit of fun opening it in the style of our ASMR videos. So if you like it when I do a little bit more ASMR focused, then you should like today. So again, just to let you know, this has been gifted to me. It's not sponsored, but I hope you enjoyed discovering the ASMRtistry lipstick with me. You can see the little pendant here, so we'll lift this out. I can see the box, the full presentation box. I don't know if the pendant catches the light. So as you can see, the box has got a lovely texture, and there's a pendant that you can wear just here. I don't know if it's catching the light. You can see the box all the way around, the effects that are on it. It's got your information there. And we'll see what's inside. We've got our lipstick. So I'll show you this first. This is our lipstick and it's got a nice snap to the lid. You can see it here. And this is Rouge Vanilla. And that's our lipstick here. And can you see that it's got sparkles all around it? I hope it picks up the light. And it's got a nice scent of vanilla. And let's try it here. That's got a good payoff of colour. That's really good payoff. So not only is it an ASMR product, but that's also a nice pigmented lipstick. So that's very nice. So a little will go a long way with that. That's nice. And what else do we have here? Now, people that love ASMR will know that your popping candy can give you that crunch and crackle. So if you like that, then you're going to enjoy receiving that product too. So inside we have our thank you card, and there's a little surprise in here. So when we open it up, there's a butterfly and there's some information here thanking you for joining the family. And then what do we know about butterflies? They flutter. That's quite a cute addition to it. And again, it tells you here why the butterfly is symbolic to the brand. And then finally, they've given you your little pendant too. And then you've got your keepsake box. And look what happens as you set the pendant free. The box opens. And that's when your pendant is taken from the box. And again, that's got the glisten and it catches the light. So that's a very nice touch. So thanks again to ASMRtistry for allowing me to try out their new lipstick. You can let me know if you've tried it out too. All the details and a link to the website will be in the description box. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon.